Lipid digestion. Lipid digestion begins in the stomach with the aid of lingual lipase and gastric lipase. In the table below, the color of hydrolysate with phenolphthalein in the first test tube is colorless, and the number of drops of 0.01 m NaOH is 3. The first test tube contains 2 ml of virgin coconut oil and 3 ml of neutral pancreatine. The second test tube shows pink, and the number of drops is 1. It contains 2 ml of virgin coconut oil, 3 ml of neutral pancreatine, and 3 ml of 0.05 m Na2CO3. The third test tube shows pink, and the number of drops are 5. It contains 2 ml of virgin coconut oil and 3 ml of 0.05 m Na2CO3. The fourth test tube shows pink color, and the number of drops are 2. It contains 2 ml of virgin coconut oil, 3 ml of neutral pancreatine, 2 ml of 0.05 m Na2CO3, and 1 ml of bile. The last test tube is colorless, and the number of drops are 4. It contains 2 ml of virgin coconut oil, 5 ml of H2O, and 1 ml of bile. The significance if the hydrolysate did not react with NaOH is if the hydrolysate did not react with NaOH, the saponification will not occur because the fats are insoluble. The significance if a large amount of NaOH is used to react with the hydrolysate, the digestion of the virgin coconut oil was completed and has released a large amount of free fatty acids. The NaOH can neutralize these fatty acids, meaning more fatty acids, more NaOH drops to neutralize it. Role of bile in the digestion of lipids. While digesting lipids, bile acts as an emulsifier to break the large fat globules into smaller emulsion droplets. The use of this is that it gives the fat a much larger surface area on which the lipase enzymes or fat digesting can act on, which in turn make it a much quicker and efficient process. Bile also helps to make fat more soluble. On its own, fat will separate from water, which makes it hard to transport in the human body. This is because it is hydrophobic. However, the bile bonds to the fat on its hydrophobic tail and the water on the hydrophilic head. This allows it to be carried by water. Factors needed for the pancreatic digestion of lipids. The enzyme lingual lipase, along with a small amount of a phospholipid as an emulsifier, initiates the process of digestion. These actions cause the fats to become more accessible to the digestive enzymes. As a result, the fats become tiny droplets and separate from the watery components. Enzymes used in lipid digestion. There are several lipases, the most important of which is produced by the exocrine pancreas. The others are lingual lipase, gastric lipase, and breast milk lipase. Other enzymes involved in lipid digestion are cholesterol esterase and phospholipases A1 and A2. Other tests that can be used to detect the completeness of lipid digestion. Digestion of starch with amylase. These tests use bacterial amylase to digest a starch solution and using low-Gol solution or reagent to detect the change in the starch level over time. Digestion of protein with pepsin. These tests use pepsin to digest albumin or a protein in the presence of acid and then detecting the partially digested peptides using burette reagent. The optimum condition for digestion of lipids. Many enzymes in the human body have an optimum temperature of approximately 40 degrees Celsius. The lipase enzyme will hydrolyze fats most efficiently at a temperature of about 37 to 40 degrees Celsius, as this is close to our human body temperature, which is 37 degrees Celsius, and matches the temperature of the digestive organs in which lipase acts. In the stomach, lipids are hydrolyzed also by a second acid lipase, the gastric lipase. This enzyme is secreted by the chief cells of the gastric mucosa and has an optimal pH around 4 but is still quite active at less acidic pH values 6 to 6.5. Therefore, it probably remains active even in the upper duodenum where the pH is between 6 and 7.